everybody, it's Ashlyn Carter. Welcome back to my channel. It is the first day of fall this week and I'm going to show you my planters that are on our front deck as well as in our patio. They need a major refresh. And so I thought with fall coming, I saw these mums at Home Depot and it's just some of this rich foliage. I thought, let's redo the planters together for really inexpensive. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do as like a seasonal thing that's going to get us through the next probably couple months. So let me show you what I picked out at the store. So I got a bunch of varieties of these mums at Home Depot. They were $3 something a piece. I got a few lavender. I also picked up these guys actually at Ralph's. This is Coral Bells Indian Summer Bilberry. I just love how rich and beautiful this plant is. So all of this together, I just thought it flowed well. It all is sun to partial shade, and that's exactly where I'm going to be planting them. And let's see, these are full sun, which is my front porch will be appreciative. Cellulosa Argentina Plumosa. Gotta love the plants. So let's go redo and make beautiful all those planters outside and on my patio. Okay, the first area that needs to get redone is this guy. These two things are out here in our courtyard area, and I just love looking out my window and seeing this full of life. So we are going to remove the dead lavender and get to town here. And the second area that we need to redo is the front of our deck. So we've had a lot of hot heat lately and I've just not been out here taking care of this stuff. And we went on vacation and it just kind of got let go. So it's time to pull all the old stuff, probably take this stuff out and just give this whole deck area a nice refresh. I'm just going through and taking away any of the old plants, breaking up some of the dirt, making sure the soil looks good. Refresh it if needed. Here's the after. I love how full they look, how rich in color and fallness they look. All the alternating greens and hues of red and pink. So much better. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and putting together a fall planter for really inexpensive. Again, I got all my plants at Home Depot. And a little secret, I don't know if you know, but Ralph's oftentimes has a mini garden section. And I got these beautiful red ones for $6.99. They were really just a good, beautiful plant for $6. So, little tip for you, go check your local Ralph's. And in the meantime, I hope you guys have a happy fall, happy week. I am back, baby. I'm loving these videos. I already have another video planned for next week, so stand by. See you soon. Happy fall, all the things. Take care. Bye.